Planning of master key systems has never been so easy before. Digitalization is currently on everyone's mind. We from EVVA digitalize as well, but only there where it makes sense. Exactly there where our core competence lies, and exactly there where you have an added value. We have decided to make planning and ordering of master key systems as easy as possible. For this we have developed the AccessDesigner. The AccessDesigner is a platform for all kinds of orders at EVVA. The AccessDesigner is made for planning and ordering of master key systems. You can also order your extensions or do your after-key service to existing master key systems. Planning of master key systems has never been so easy before. We know how complex log charts can be, but the planning does not have to be so difficult. The AccessDesigner saves you time. You're maximally flexible. You can plan and order 24/7. With the AccessDesigner, you accelerate the order and delivery process. Due to the advanced features, we receive correct orders, which in turn does not lead to unnecessary queries. Your orders are immediately processed. You simply order the AccessDesigner at the EVVA Partner Portal or contact your EVVA sales rep. All your questions will be answered in our EVVA Partner Training. Register under evva.com at our EVVA Academy. Join us as your reliable companion in a digital future.